You must be willing to take risks. And some of the risks is reputation. One of the things I have learned because of that reputational risk is to be very forgiving.
I think there's so much room for women to actually grow in capital markets. We have women leaders in the around who are actually even CEOs, and we have seen them excel. And for some of us, that's where we are looking to actually end up in. So I think there's a lot of room for just growing within the profession.
I will add more women and ladies who are seated back home thinking that I can't drive, I can't work in the public transport sector. This is your time. We've encouraged our drivers to take courses like defensive driving, which is part of their training that we are trying to come up with relevant authorities so that they can go for training and understand why it is important to defend, to use the defensive driving while they are behind their wheel.
The only way we could make more people and more so in women to actually come through and make investments in capital markets is by ensuring that they get sufficient information.